In Pakistan, with just 1 rupee, you can enjoy such a hearty breakfast. With soup, meat, and flatbread, and endless stories to hear. In the morning of Peshawar, Pakistan, the first light has just appeared. The streets are still quiet. It is now 6:30 a.m. The three Anas brothers are already busy. They are regulars here, hardworking and faithful vendors. Almost every morning, they appear at the same place. All three brothers are strong and robust. Typical street vendors, carrying buckets full of spicy siripaya and a big pot of steaming chickpea curry. They steadily walk to their usual street stall, a stall that stands year-round on this corner, becoming part of the residents' daily life. Carrying the source of their strength, their first task is to bring out stored tables and benches. After setting the tables, they carefully spread clean tablecloths. The brothers quickly placed a simple gas stoves. Though simple, the stoves are fully equipped. They connect the gas tanks and ignite the flame. The fire licks the pot bottom, warming the entire stall. The carpet by the wall smells faintly of footsteps. The air is filled with morning freshness and food aroma. Next, they place a large pot on the stove and set a big basin on the other side, filling it with spicy siri broth, releasing mouth-watering fragrance. Banas, the eldest brother, acts decisively and precisely. He places big lamb bones and meat into the broth. The strong flame makes the meat instantly enticing. He already considers things from the diner's perspective, quickly preparing dishes to satisfy hungry guests. Anas starts serving soup in small bowls, with eyes full of attention and respect for each customer. Another brother hands out fresh baked naan, skillfully passing hot bread to customers. His expression radiates a warm welcome. Their service has no flashy slogans, but carries genuine warmth and sincerity, making people feel at home. Regulars sit on benches or gather on carpets. As regular customers, they need no special greeting. Most of them are middle-aged or elderly. Many are struggling poor folks, faces marked with hardship. But here, they can set aside worries and enjoy simple, delicious food. Tearing a piece of naan, dipping into rich broth, their faces gradually relax, as if all burdens are lifted in that moment. A chickpea curry with siri broth costs only 50 rupees, about 0.56 USD, for many poor diners. It is an affordable choice and a rare warmth in their daily lives. In this humble alley, the brothers' stall is a haven of simplicity, providing food and joy to everyone. Customers dine at this modest stall, sharing silent moments of connection. Few words are spoken, yet everyone understands life's hardship and seeks simple, genuine happiness. They quietly savor soup, whisper about daily matters, feeling the atmosphere. The brothers move swiftly among diners, offering the best service with sincerity and effort. Wanted one. This is what makes up the morning in Peshawar. On this land, the Anas brothers face challenges, silently dedicated, bringing people closer through food, spreading warmth and hope. No matter how hard life is, they always protect this simple happiness. If this city has a unique flavor, then their stall is its strongest and truest taste. The breath of life flows through every corner of Peshawar.